I'm Polybath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools to manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. One of my students was yelling, kicking chairs, and tearing down our bulletin boards, so I had him escorted to the office. But when I walked by the office a while later, I saw the child eating cookies. I'll be honest, I wasn't happy. Why is this okay? Yeah, I've been on both ends of this one, okay, so I can totally relate. I had to really think about this one myself and do some research. And what we have found out is that the de-escalation process is pretty heavy. When we de-escalate with kids, oftentimes we validate, their feelings. But when you're little and you've gotten to the point where you're so dysregulated that you're kicking over chairs and tearing down bulletin boards, and now we have to have you removed from the classroom, of course, we want to catch that before it happens. But let's face it, sometimes we don't see it coming. What we know, and this is kind of a physical thing, is the actual act of chewing and swallowing doesn't happen when you're completely dysregulated. See, you can't actually stop and chew and swallow and be running around the room tearing things up at the same time. See, so if we get the child in a better place, and the way we begin the de-escalation is by having them have a drink, maybe a snack, it automatically is going to kind of calm the nervous system, because you can't physically chew and swallow when you're losing, control. And once we get that, we have a window in there where we can get the child into a better place. Does that mean we're not going to hold the child accountable for that behavior? Absolutely not. But when you see this happening, please keep in mind that there's some pretty heavy, physical connection behind that that's going to help, because you got to get the physical body to be in control before you can get the frontal cortex of the brain to kick in. So that's what we're doing when you walk by and see this, is we're getting that downstairs brain to calm down, the physiological piece, so that we have a window to get in and help this child. And then we also may have a window to hold them accountable when they're in a better space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include those in the comments below.